Meaning of decontaminate.
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 Decontaminate. The term decontaminate refers to the process of removing or reducing contamination from a surface, object, or environment. This can involve the use of various methods and agents, such as disinfectants, chemicals, or physical cleaning. The ultimate result of decontamination is a reduction in the presence of harmful organisms or substances that can potentially cause harm to humans or the environment. This can help to prevent the spread of disease, infection, or other health risks, and ensure a safer and healthier living or working environment.